All right, what's on the bench? You might say, hey, you already did a video on that Kaiweets circuit breaker finder. And yes, I did do a video. And from the responses of people who have reviewed these products, Kaiweets said, we would like to redesign this thing and make it better. So if you're on the market for one of these things, the original one was just a KT301. This one, so this one just says KT301. This is a KT301P, which is the new and improved. They changed some circuitry and they changed, I think, the pickup coil. They chose a better pickup coil for better discrimination and stuff. So it's supposed to be better than this one. Inside, it's going to look pretty much the same. So let's see here. Move that out of the way. I mean, you're going to get all the same stuff. Now, just one word of warning. When you get these things, you would think that this particular device here wouldn't need batteries because it has a power connector, and you use this when you plug it into the wall. Screen protector. But it doesn't work without batteries in it. It does come with batteries, but it's kind of counterintuitive that you would have to put batteries in these things. So let me go ahead and get them both out. I'll put some batteries in it and we'll see if it is improved. All right, we can see here, this is the transmitter. So we're transmitting into a particular part of the circuit in my house. And it's doing a couple things. First of all, it's sending a signal so you can go over to the circuit breaker. We'll do that in a second here. To figure out what line which breaker this line is. The other thing it's testing is line neutral earth, and it says it's correct. So, and gives you a green light here instead of a fault light. So anyway, and I've done this in the other video, so it's all the same thing. But let's go out to the circuit breaker box and see if things have improved. All right, so this is supposedly where it's better. So we're going to try to see if we can find so we're looking for things. We hear some beeps. A little bit, oh, there we go. So it's really good on that one, and it's just a little bit on that one. Yeah, it seems like it's a little more, maybe a little more sensitive. I don't know. I don't know if it's much better than it used to be. It does seem to be. Yeah, I guess it does seem to be a little more sensitive. It has a little more discriminating, right? That you're not getting false alarms on other things. So we're trying to find, yep, it's on that one. Yep, not that one. Definitely that one. And then we're getting close. You can hear it kind of intermittent. Then you get on it, you get a full tone. Well, there you go. I'll put a link down below of my video where I reviewed this one, so it'll have much more information. This video is just kind of an update. They've come out with a new version, the KT301P, and it seems to be a little better in discriminating which line you're on than the other one. So there you go.